Alright, let's do a quick trade recap. So I took 2 trades today. Well, 3 actually, but one of them was a small break-even slash loss, whatever. The first one was this 5-minute inversion. So basically market opened, and here, let's put it where market opened. Market opened at this line, and so we came down and immediately we dumped off open, and I was heavily bearish today. I wanted sell side to get taken. On the 1 hour, we have this low way down here. I wanted this low to get reached, but we just didn't. And so then after we put in this 5-minute inversion, I had my eyes on this unfilled 1 hour gap above, which you can see we finally hit, and now we're selling off. And basically we got this 5-minute inversion, so I entered right on the inverse. It retraced a little bit, and I ended up closing for a small loss because I was like, I don't know why, I just wasn't very confident in it. This crap off me. Yeah, I just wasn't that confident in it, so I closed it a little bit early for a loss. But then once we got this 30-second back to the upside, I actually re-entered right here, and I went break even at that internal high, and then I targeted the same high, and then this is the one I posted on my Instagram, and then this was a win. This was a good win, and then it made back the small loss for closing early, plus a little bit more. So pretty decent management. I just got to really just trust my initial entry, and I got to use more contracts because I have been taking so many wins recently, and I just don't make anything because I take like one contract, and it's causing me to stall and take forever and then become subject to my emotions, which causes me to take dumber decisions, where if I would just pass accounts quicker, none of that would happen. And so after that, I was thinking, okay, maybe we're going to go to the lows now, because we now inversed this. Let's delete this. Now we inversed this 15-minute, and I think price was ready to go lower. And then once we came back up so high, I was thinking, okay, price really does want to come to this unfilled 1 hour gap on the 1 hour time frame. There it is there. And so I was just thinking, like, I want to try to catch along to that. And so I took a small loss through here, but then I ended up getting in on this 30-second inversion right here after we put in this minor sweep, holding this inversion here. Holding this inversion here, put in the sweep of liquidity, 30-second to the upside. I got in, break even immediately at the internal high because price doesn't have to go higher than that, and then we just printed straight to take profit. So that was that second trade there. I didn't post this one on Instagram or anything, but this one made some more. And so once again, I'm 1 trade away from passing this account, and I need to size up. Like, I desperately need to size up, and only size up on an A+ trade. But that's the recap for today. And yeah, just we're doing better. Takeaway is size up. Look at all this LR getting ran now. Takeaway is to size up. Yeah, we're definitely reaching this by the end of the day, but I have no reason to get in any trade to there. But yeah, size up and only execute sized up on A+ positions that I need to trust my initial thoughts of entering, because once I second guess myself and change anything I had, like change my stop loss, close early, whatnot, it always ends up destroying me. So that is the takeaway. Let's come back tomorrow with that in mind, and let's have a great day tomorrow, and then have a great week next week. So I'll see you guys then.